What's up, guys? This is your boy Morris. I'm here just showing you this Apple Watch Series 4 that I just got. I want to open this box with you guys together. I just hope this doesn't show my address to you. Whatever, you can't see it, right? Oh, come on, come on. Alright, here we go. Whoa, this is a Nike edition. Wow, beautiful. Yep, like this a lot. Yeah. Here's a tab. Dude. Alright. I've seen this many times on the internet. Just this new box, just folded. There's no glues or anything. It's pretty eco-friendly. Okay, oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, I think that's the Apple Watch. And this is the band. Let's get rid of this. Alright. Let's open this first. Okay, woo. Hello, beautiful. Yep. It's the Apple Watch itself. I want to just show it. I want to show this. Wow, look at those. Beautiful. Wow, this is only in an aluminum version. You know, I don't think this stainless steel version is worth it. So, yeah. I'm just a student right now. I don't have that much money. But this one's pretty good. Yeah. And let's just put it back for now. Yep. Okay. Some documents and instructions and everything. It's okay. I don't really care about them. And here's the 5-watt charger, like always. Classic. And this is the cable. Alright. Yep. And let's take a look at the band. Okay, how do I open this? Okay, here we go. Okay, when you open it, there's a tab here. Just pull it. It'll be out. Yep, here we go. Apple Watch, Nike edition. Some instructions, and that's the band itself. Feels pretty good. I like that finish and the materials feels pretty good. Yep. That's everything you got. I don't know why they have a little blank area here. Oh, I think that's because that part is kind of, this part is, it's not flat. It's, yeah, they give some space in here. Yeah, that's pretty smart. All right, that's it. Thank you, guys.